morning, sir.
Good morning. Have you all gone through the circular which we had sent related to your examination?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Your exam will be conducted online. We will be sending you the question paper and you need to write the answer in answer sheet and you have
Good
to
morning, sir.
make that as a PDF and resend us. On the question paper, there will be email ID of the subject teacher mentioned.
Good morning,
You have
sir.
to you have to send to the same email ID. I'll tell something related to examination now.
Presenting, sir.
Sir, on answer sheet we should write A, B like that.
First, I'll tell you what are the things we are expecting from you. Since it is a monthly examination, first you have to mention the heading that it is September. Oh, exam is in October, right?
Yes, sir.
October
From 4 October.
monthly test.
Good morning, sir.
After mentioning this October monthly test, we want you to write the roll number. A 4-digit roll number should be mentioned here. You need to write your name.
Sir, in which copy we had to give the...
You need to write the subject which you are giving the examination.
Sir, copy पे दे सकते हैं.
Here you need to write the date. Suppose the first examination is on 4th October, you will mention 4th October 2021. Apart from this, we want you to write the WhatsApp number which you have given in the group. Isn't it? This WhatsApp number is required, and also we require your email ID followed by phone number. Phone number is already there as a WhatsApp number, that's not required. This information is required.
Sir, email ID of student or parent, sir?
You are writing exam and you will be sending the answer sheet by a email ID. That email ID must be mentioned here. If you are sending by your parents email ID, you write your parents email ID. If you are sending by your email ID, you write your email ID.
Good morning, sir.
Since the questions are related to MCQ, we want you to write the option. Suppose first question's answer is A, you mention A. You can write the answer also
Excuse me,
along
sir.
with option. Don't write only the answer. You mention which option is that and write the answer. This is how it has to be written. We don't want you to send a image of the answer sheet. We want you to send PDF. Now you can ask doubt. Yes.
Sir, how to send PDF?
How to?
Sir,
How to send PDF?
PDF.
How to convert.
Write the answer. How to make PDF?
There are so many applications to make a PDF.
And
You
apps
can
also.
make PDF. Just
we
you have
can
to
make
scan it
Google
and
Drive
save as
also.
PDF.
Yes, sir.
We don't want you to send any image. We want in this format only.
Excuse me, sir.
Since it is a first examination, I am telling in detail that you have to do all these things. Later on, we will not say anything. Directly, we will not consider the images.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Brunal.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, we should send this PDF on our normal group, right? WhatsApp group.
No, you have to send to subject teacher's email ID.
Sir, the subject
Sir,
is
will be the email ID sent?
Email ID will be mentioned on the question paper. On question paper, you will come to know the email ID.
okay,
To that
sir.
email ID,
Okay,
you
sir.
need to send it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, how
Satvik.
much time
Sir,
is given
we
to
should
write?
send the answer paper in subject teacher's personal.
खाले रे देवा.
यहाँ पे लिखा है you have to send it to subject teacher's email ID.
Sir, how can we came to know about result?
Result there will be it will be displayed in the website, and you can see that after some time. Immediately after the examination, you will not get the result. You have to wait for some more time so that teachers will check. The exam section will finalize the result and it will be uploaded.
Sir,
Once again, I am telling it.
answer sheet in the right
What?
only. Answer send email ID.
First, you listen.
Sir, results. When you will give?
I want you to listen first.
Okay, sir.
Whenever you are writing the examination, we don't want you to send the answer sheets in WhatsApp group. Don't send it in WhatsApp group. Send it to the specific subject teacher's email ID, which will be mentioned on the text, on the answer question paper. On question paper, you will come to know the subject teacher's email ID. To this email ID only, you must send it. Okay, let us start this exercise questions. In the previous class, I had given few questions for you to do. These were the questions. Hopefully, you have done that. I'll be sending you the answers little later. Now we will take up exercise 2.1. The first question here is write the next three natural numbers after 10,999. We all know that next number refers to successor. We always get successor of a number by adding 1. So what we require to do to find next three natural number is we need to add 1 to get the next one, plus 1 to get one more. Likewise, the three natural numbers are 11,000, 11,001, 11,002. These are the next three natural numbers after 10,999. Coming to the second question, write the three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. Just before 10,001 refers to predecessor, we need to subtract 1. So previous number to this is 10,000. Prior to that is 9,999. Prior to that is 9,998. These are the numbers. Now the third question, which is the smallest whole number? We all know that whole numbers are defined by a letter W in capitals, and we write in this set notation 0, 1, 2, and so on. In this, smallest is 0. Smallest whole number is 0. Fourth question, how many whole numbers are between 32 and 53? Some of you are saying 0 whole numbers. Yes, Akul says 0 whole number. Gurraj says 21. Bimu Komar says 21. Actually, there are 20 whole numbers between 32 and 53. You should consider between. So this is not included. This is also not included. If I give the numbers, it is 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. I need to stop at 52. The starting number is 33. You count the number of the numbers here, you will come to know that there are 20 numbers. So there are 20 whole numbers between 32 and 53. It is not 21. All right. Next question is to write the successor of. Successor means we require to add 1. So by adding 1, we get the successor of this particular number. It is 2440702. The successor of this particular number, by adding 1, we get it as 100200. The successor of this number is 11000000. Successor of this number is 2345671. So by adding 1, we get the successor. By subtracting 1, we must get the predecessor, which is done in next question. 93, its predecessor is 93. 10,000, its predecessor is 9,999. Predecessor of this number is 208 followed by 089. Predecessor of this number is 7654320. If you all observe carefully, I have not used equal to sign. Can I use equal to sign here? I should not use it because they are not equal. This number is 1 more than the given number. Here 93 is 1 less than the given number. So remember, when question of this type is there, writing a successor or predecessor, you don't use equal to sign and write the answer. If you want to use equal to sign, you have to write it like this: 94. Its successor is 94 minus 1, which is equal to 93. Alright. Question 7. In each of the following pairs of numbers, state which whole number is on the left of the other whole number on the number line. Also write them with appropriate sign greater than symbol or less than symbol between them. When we look at the number line, you must know that here if it is 0, next number is 1, next number is 2, and it continues. So smaller number will be there towards left side and larger number will be there towards right side. So among this 503 and 530, towards the left 503 will be there towards the left. So I need to mention the answer here. The answer is 503 is on the left of 530 on number line. This is a short way to write the number line. And they have also asked use appropriate symbol. Here greater than symbol should be used. That is 530 greater than 503. In this question, 370 is greater than 307 and the number 307 is towards the left of 370. 307 is on the left of 370 on number line. Among these two numbers, you observe the number of digits here. The number of digits are same. Here it starts with 5, this starts with 9. So the number which starts with 5 here is smaller than the other. That is 98765 is larger than 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is on the left of 98765 on number line. Many have given the answer in the chat. This particular number is smaller compared to this because the number of digits here is smaller than the number of digits here. So this particular number will be on the left of 100230001 on the number line. Correct. Now we have a question related to true or false. We have to go through the statement and we have to say whether it is true or false. Coming to the first one, 0 is the smallest natural number. It's false because 1 is the smallest natural number. 0 is not the smallest natural number. Second one, 400 is predecessor of 399. Actually, this is also false. The reason is 400 is the successor of 399. Third one, 0 is the smallest whole number. This particular statement is true because we have defined whole numbers as capital letter W and it is defined as 0, 1, 2 and so on. Coming to the fourth one, 600 is the successor of 599. Many have given the correct answer. It is true. Fifth one, all natural numbers are whole numbers. This statement is also true. If the statement is reversed, all whole numbers are natural numbers, this particular statement is false because 0 is a whole number. It is not present in the set of natural numbers. Next one, the predecessor of two-digit number is never a single digit. Look at the statement here, predecessor. Predecessor means we are subtracting 1 from the given number. Predecessor of a two-digit number. Suppose if I consider 10, its predecessor is 9. So it is a single digit. So this particular statement is a false statement. Next, 1 is the smallest whole number. 1 is not the smallest whole number. We all know that 0 is the smallest whole number. So this statement is also false. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. The natural number 1 will be having predecessor as 0 in the set of whole numbers but not in the set of natural numbers. So here I will write it as false by considering the set of natural numbers. In the natural numbers, predecessor of 1 is not there. But in the whole numbers, predecessor of 1 is there. Next statement, the whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. Whole number 13 is the next whole number after 12. So it is not between 12 and 11. So this particular statement is false. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. It is true that it has got no predecessor. Next, the successor of two-digit number is always a two-digit number. Suppose if I consider 99, if you do plus 1, we get 100. The successor of 99 is 100. Two-digit number successor can be three-digit number. So this particular statement is false. Coming to the exercise 2.2, the first question is to arrange them, that is rearranging them and adding that. 837 plus 208 plus 363. Here you should not go for direct addition. Instead, we have to rearrange and add them. Here the suitable rearrangement will be 837 added to 363. Then adding this sum to 208. The reason is by adding 363 to 837, we get the multiples of 10. That is, just add them. We get it as 1200 plus 208. Now adding them, it's more easy and comfortable. It is 1408. So 1408. No doubt we will be getting the same answer if you do addition in a direct way, but we have to answer it according to the question. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. So we need to rearrange and then add them. Here, since it is having 2 in the units place and 8 in the units place here, I feel this should be the combination. We have to write this one beside the other followed by the sum of these two. So if we write in that way, we get 1962 added to 1538 plus 453 added to 647. The sum of these two numbers is 3500 and sum of these two numbers is 1100. On adding, we get it as 4600. Remember, in the examination, if this type of question is asked, irrespective of the marks, you have to write in these steps only. You should not give a direct answer. If the by chance if you have written a direct answer, we feel that you have directly added. So better to follow the steps. Question 2 is related to multiplication. Again, here the question is to rearrange them and multiply. Instead of multiplying 2 to 1768, you need to multiply 2 with 50. So 2 should be multiplied to 50. Then the product should be multiplied to 1768. We'll be getting 100 times of 1768. This is 1768 followed by 2 zeros. Next, we have 4 multiplied to 166 multiplied to 25. Again, I said not to multiply directly. 4 should be multiplied to 25. So 4 times of 25 into 166. 4 times of 25 is 100 times of 166. We'll be getting 166 followed by 2 zeros. So 16,600. In continuation, the third one, 8 multiplied to 291 multiplied to 125. Here, 8 times of 125 is a multiple of 10. So we'll multiply this. Then the product is multiplied to 291. 8 times of 125 is 1000 multiplied to 291. So the answer is 291 followed by 3 zeros, 2,91,000. In the next one, this 625 must be multiplied with 16, then multiplied with 279. If you are multiplying 16 times of 625, we get it as 10,000 to be multiplied to 279. We'll be getting 279 followed by 4 zeros. So the answer is 27,90,000. Next, fifth one, this 5 to be multiplied to 60. So 5 multiplied to 60, that is multiplied to 285. 5 times of 60 is 300 multiplied to 285. 3 to be multiplied to this number, we get it as 855. Now 2 more zeros. So 85,500. Now we have 125 multiplied to 40, multiplied to 8, multiplied to 25. If you do this combination, obtaining the product is much easier. So 125 I'll multiply with 8, then 40 I will multiply with 25. 125 into 8 is nothing but 1000. 25 times of 4 is 100. So 25 into 40 is 1000. 1000 is multiplied to 1000. We get it as 1 followed by 6 zeros. It is 10 lakh. Now there is a question to find the value of the following. Here, sometimes they may give a question like use a suitable property and simplify. In such cases, we need to use property. We all have learned that A when multiplied to the sum of B and C, this is same as A times of B plus A times of C. This is called as distributive property. So we are making use of distributive property of multiplication over addition, since addition is there here. So this is something like A, this is like B, so this is A into C. So the result has to be A times of B plus C. Here A is 297 multiplied to 17 plus 3. 17 plus 3 is 20. So 297 is multiplied to 20. This will be 5940, 5940. It is that simple. Here you observe this is like A, this is B, and this is C. If you use the same distributive property, it is 54,279 multiplied to 92 plus 8. We know 92 plus 8 is 100. So this will be 54279 followed by 2 zeros. So 54,27,900 is the answer. Coming to this, here is a subtraction. This is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. A multiplied to B minus A multiplied to C. We get A times of B minus C. So 81265 is written first, multiplied with 169 minus 69. 169 minus 69 is 100. So the result is 8126,500. It is 81,26,500. What do we do here? If you observe none of the terms are same, what can be done? Yes, I'm unmuting. If you know, you can tell the answer. Yes, can you tell what can be done here? It is quite logical. Here we have
Sir, this is answer
3845.
1,92,25,000. Into 5.
I am not asking you the answer. I am asking you what can be done here. Can we use distributive property?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
No.
sir, we
Then
cannot
how did you say the answer? That is what I said in the beginning. I said in the beginning that you can write the direct answer, but it will not be the answer according to the question. Question is to use a suitable property and find. I will tell you what to do here.
Sir, 25 plus 5 is 30.
Observe this. I will write these things as it is. That is 3845 into 5 into 782. I'll write this as it is. The next terms, I'm going to write it as 769 into 5 into 5 into 218. If I write like this, it is not wrong.
No, sir, it is not wrong.
It is not wrong because 5 times is 25. It's not
25.
wrong. Now further, these things are written as it is. What is the product of 769 with 5? You multiply and check it. It is same as 3845 multiplied to 5 multiplied to 218.
Into 418.
If you multiply this, we get
3845,
3845.
sir.
Yes, sir. Now you observe there is something common. This is present 3845 and also 5 present in both these. Now you can take this as A. Now
Yes, sir.
whichever is there in pink color, it can be considered as A.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Yes, sir.
this will be equal to 3845 into 5 into 5 times of 782 added to 218. Now just tell me the sum of 782 and 218.
1000.
1000.
1000.
When 5 is multiplied to
1000.
correct. When 5 is multiplied to
19,225. 5,000, sir.
19,225 we get
What?
multiplied to 1000. So
1000.
the result is 19225 followed by 3 zeros.
0 zeros.
So the answer is 1 crore 92 lakh
1 crore
25,000.
5,000. 1 crore 92 lakh 25,000.
Don't speak again.
Here is a question. Find the product using suitable properties. I'll just now we have discussed distributive property. We are
Sir, we
going
have
to
to
use
use
the same thing.
distributive property.
A times of B
738
plus
into
C.
100 plus 738 into 3, sir.
All others have understood this. A times of B
Yes,
plus
sir.
C is A plus B into A plus B, A plus C. The same thing must be used here. 738 multiplied to write it
100.
as 100 plus 3.
738
738 into
7380,
100
sir.
plus 738 into 3. Now this has to be multiplied. When 738 is multiplied to 100, it is 738 followed by 2 zeros plus 3 times of 738 multiply. It is
2,214.
correct. Very good.
2,200.
Now this has
2214,
to be
sir.
added.
Then
Sir,
14.
When we add this, we get 7
sir,
76,000. 76,014.
46,014.
Yes. Any
Which
doubt?
is this
No,
property,
sir.
sir?
This is called as distributive
No.
property. I am going to write it here. It is distributive property. Now, if the
Sir,
same
in text
distributive
we have to
properties,
fill in the OMR, sir.
Satvik, what is the doubt?
Sir, when you will take the test from 4 October, then we have to fill the answers in OMR sheet.
See, we will be sending question paper in WhatsApp group. You will be there in Google Meet. In the Google Meet, your camera must be on. We will be
Okay, sir.
watching you. You will be writing the exam.
Okay,
The
sir.
same thing you are going to scan it as PDF and send it.
So, sir, we have to write all the answers in OMR sheet.
854
OMR sheet will not be provided, sir. You will be
Sir, I
writing
can
in separate
print
paper.
out. Okay, sir.
You can take printout. Can you provide the same papers to every one of your classmates?
No, sir.
Ah,
Okay, sir.
okay, sir.
Answer is the right in the notebook.
Answer is the 85,600 sir.
85,400 to
600.
be added to
1,708.
87,108, sir.
1,708.
87,108.
very good, very good.
87,108 answer.
Hope every one of you have understood this distributive property.
Yes, sir.
Answer is 87,000.
Yes, sir.
Just tell me what to be done here.
258 into 1,000 plus
Sir,
258.
Correct.
258
This should be written
58
as
into 1,000 plus 8
58
into
258 into 1,000 plus
1,000.
in this
258
case
into
you will
8.
write
1000 plus
in this case you are
168
going to
into
change
5.
this or this one.
Yes. No, sir. 168
No,
into
sir.
1000 plus
No, sir.
168 into 5.
This is better.
Yes, sir. It is better, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Into 1,268.
So I feel that you can solve this. I'm going to
Yes,
next
sir.
question.
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
will solve, sir.
Yes, sir.
we
Question
can
number
solve
5.
it.
Question number 5. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day, he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? It is something like the sum of the petrol consumed. We need to add them. We get the total petrol, and then it has to be multiplied to 44. It is like distributive property. 44 to be multiplied to the sum of 40 plus 50. Either you use distributive property or you directly do it. 40 plus 50 is 90. When we multiply, we get 3,960, and this is in terms of rupees. So rupees 3,960 is spent on petrol. Question 6. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning, 68 liters in the evening. If milk costs rupees 15 per liter, how much money is due to vendor per day? In a day, he is providing 32 liters as well as 68 liters, 32 in the morning, 68 in the evening. So totally he is giving 100 liters of milk. So per liter it is 15 rupees. For 100 liters we need to calculate. It is 100 times of rupees 15. We get it as 1,500 rupees. Is that simple? Here we have a question to match. To the right side, we have got some properties mentioned. Towards left side, there is example. Here, 125 is, 425 is multiplied to 136. It is written as 425 into 6 plus 30 plus 100. Which property is this? This is a distributive property of multiplication over addition. So answer for 1 is C. This is the answer. Second one is 2 multiplied to 49 multiplied to 50. It is same as equal to 2 multiplied to 50 multiplied to 49. This property is known as a commutative property. The order of multiplication will give the same result. A multiplied to B is same as B multiplied to A. These are one and the same. 80 added to 2005 added to 20 is same as 80 plus 20 plus 2005. This is commutative property under addition. So answer for second one is A. Answer for third one is B. So we have answered this question. Now we have exercise 2.3. First question is, which one of the following will not represent 0? Here 1 plus 0 is 1 actually. 0 multiplied to 0 is 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. 10 times of 10 divided by 2 is not 0. It is 50. So in this, the first one and the last one, they do not represent 0. In the book, this was not printed properly. So I have taken this as 10 into 10 by 2. If you are feeling that it is 10 into 0 by 2, then there is no problem. You can write this as a question. So this represents 0 and only the first one doesn't represent 0. Since the time is up, I'm going to end today's session. If you have any doubt, you can ask.
Sir, you send the
Sir,
WhatsApp.
send the PDF to us.
Sir,
PDF of this.
Sir, please send the
PDF in
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. Sir, will you send it PDF in